Welcome back, friends. After sharing a few challenging patterns, I have picked up something much easier this time. This pattern is worked over a multiple of 4 stitches. No extra stitches are needed for the edges. It's 8 row repeat with the wrong side mostly in purl and a few slipped stitches. For the sample I have here, I used a thicker yarn with 4.5 millimeter needles. For today's demonstration, I will be using finer yarn with 2.5 millimeter needles, so you can see how it looks in both sizes. You will also need to work a couple of base rows, such as simple ribbing. Here I have cast on 16 stitches and knitted 3 rows in basic ribbing. Row 1 is all purl, so I fast forward through it since it's straightforward. For the edge stitches, I simply pick up the first stitch at the beginning and knit the last stitch at the end of the row. Row 2 sets the base for the pattern. I start by picking up the edge stitch. Then I insert the right needle into the second loop from the top between the edge stitch and the next stitch, counting downward. It might be a little tricky to spot that space at the beginning of the row. Once in, I grab the working yarn and pull it through to create a long loop. Then I knit 2 stitches. Repeat this sequence, count down 2 loops below. 1, 2, make a long loop, knit 2, and continue counting down, make a long loop, knit 2, again make a loop, knit 2, another long loop, knit 2, another long loop, knit 2. I have one more before end of the row. So I'm gonna knit 2 at the end and make another long loop at the end of the row. And knit the edge stitch. Row 3 is the return row. We slip the long loops we created in the previous row and purl the rest. I pick up my edge stitch. Next is the long loop. I slip it. Then purl 2 stitches. 1, 2. Slip 1 again. Purl 2. This is the sequence we're gonna repeat till the end of this row. Slip, purl, purl, slip, purl, purl, slip, purl, purl, slip, purl, purl, and the row with a slip 1 and knit the edge stitch. In row 4, we are shaping the first half of our pattern. I pick up my edge stitch. Next, I will work over the next 4 stitches. I insert my right needle into all 4 stitches from the back loop and knit them together. Do not slip the stitches off the needle yet. Insert the right needle knitwise into the same 4 stitches and knit them together. Now slip the stitches off the needle. That makes the first motif. Then knit 2. Then repeat the sequence across the row. Next 4 stitches. Insert into all 4 stitches from the back loop. Knit them together through the back loop. Insert knitwise into the same 4 stitches and knit them together again. Then knit 2. Next 4 stitches, knit them together through the back loop. Insert again knitwise and knit them together again. Knit 2. My last repeat, knit them together through the back loop. Knit them together again. Finish the row by knitting the edge stitch. And here is our first section completed. Row 5, purl across. This row is the start of offsetting to shift the pattern for the second half. Row 6 sets the base for the second half. I start by picking up the edge stitch. Then this time we're gonna make our motif between the previous 2 motifs. These 2 stitches will be my center knit stitches. Then I knit 2 stitches at the beginning and I make 1 long loop now. Then knit 2, long loop, knit 2, and repeat this sequence till the end of the row. Long loop, knit 2, another long loop, knit 2, and this is my last long loop. Then I knit 2 and end the row by knitting the edge stitch. So there is not any long loop before the edge stitch. Row 7 is the return row. We slip the long loops and purl the rest. Then at the beginning, I have 2 purl stitches. 1, 2. Next is the long loop. I slip it and then purl 2. And repeat the sequence till the end of the row. Slip 1, purl 2. Slip 1, purl 2. Slip 1, purl 2. Slip 1, purl 2, and knit the edge stitch. Row 8 is the last row repeat. We are shaping the second half of the pattern. I pick up my edge stitch, next knit 2. Then I will work off over the next 4 stitches. Knit them through the back loop. Knit them again. And knit 2. And this is the sequence till end of this row. And my last repeat here. and knit 2 stitches and end the row by knitting the edge stitch. That's it for the twisted diamond mesh pattern. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more easy and beautiful stitches. See you soon in the next video.